While not as robust, Google Sheets does have some significant advantages over Microsoft Excel. It's cheaper, i.e. it's free. It does not have the resource requirements that Microsoft Excel brings with it. And because of these two factors, it's readily available to most, so it can be easily shared. In this video, we're going to look at creating a line chart using Google Sheets. Specifically, we're going to create a range chart with an upper and lower control limit. But for this video, I'm not going to go into the details of a range or XBAR chart, but I will post an article to my site, the lean6sigmaoffice.com. So as you can see, I've calculated upper and lower control limits and center lines for both range and XBAR charts. And for this, we're going to use the data for the range. So to get started, I'm going to select the series. So as you can see, I'm selecting the lower control limit, center, and upper control limit, but I'm selecting the entire sample set, even though everything has the same values. So now I'm going to select Insert and Chart, and by default, Google Sheets is giving us a column chart. But again, we want to select a line chart. So over under Chart Editor, I'm going to change the chart type to line. And now what I want to do is I want the colors for the upper and lower control limits for those lines to be the same. So now I can click on Customize under Chart Editor, and I'll select Series. And you see here it says Apply to All Series. So now if I select the lower control limit, I can change the color of this line. We'll use this blue here, and I'm going to make sure that this is on line type, and I'll select the thickness for 4. And now what I will do is I will go over and select the upper control limit, and I think this was the color blue that I was using, and the thickness was 4. So now I've got the same color schemes for these. But again, now what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to see how one of these analysts looks for this chart here. So now what I can do is I could go back over to the Data tab. You'll see that it's got the series listed here. And if I click here to add another series, it's asking me what data. And so we'll select Analyst 3. And now we can see where Analyst 3 lines up with the chart here. If I want to customize this some more, again, just go over to Customize. By default, it's selecting all series. If I select Analyst 3, then I can change the point size to, let's say, 7. And so now it's just giving us a little bit different of view of our chart. So again, this is how you create a line chart using Google Sheets. Hope you found this interesting. Please click like, and please visit my site, the lean6sigmaoffice.com. Thank you.